Hi there and welcome to this lecture. Targeting the right audience is the #1 key of success in any marketing plan. So in this section, we are going to explore audience and we are going to see together how to tell Facebook to which people he should show your ads. While setting up your ad set and choosing your audience, you will be taking several decisions. And we are going to show you how to make these decisions in the best way possible. The first decision you should be taking is in which countries you want to sell. In order to maximize your chance of success, you have to sell to countries in which people actually buy online and spend their money online. So here is a list of top online spenders by country. Try to choose a country in this list that you know its culture and its restrictions the most. The more you are familiar with the audience you are targeting, the more you can address this audience easier. Now, after choosing the country you want to market your product in, we have 4 important options, and to know how to deal with them, you have to ask and answer the following questions. So you have chosen your location, but do you want to target everyone in this location, including tourists who are visiting this country for 1 week and might not speak the language of this country? Most probably no. If you are targeting French people, you are most probably interested in targeting people who live in France. You don't want tourists from all over the world to see your ads, especially if it's written in French. So in this case, you don't choose everyone in this location, but you choose people who live in France. So with the same logic, if you are targeting tourists to sell them some tourist gadgets, then you have to target people who were recently in this location. In most of the cases, in e-commerce and dropshipping, we target people who live in the locations we are targeting. Let's move now to see age and sex. But before choosing which age and which sex to target, let's suppose that you are targeting people who are practicing yoga to sell them yoga gadgets. Let's go together to Audience Insights and choose the United States as a country. And you will type yoga in the interests. And because your ad is written in English, you should choose English as the language. And I will tell you later why this is very important. We can see directly that there is 40 to 45 million people interested in yoga in the USA, which is a very good number. And we can also see that 75% of these people are women. So when we choose the sex in Facebook, it's better to begin with women. Of course, we will not forget about men, but when we are choosing our first audience, we are maximizing our chances, so that's why we choose women. Concerning ages, also here we see that ages between 25 and 54 are the most concerned in yoga. So using the Audience Insight tool, we choose to target women aging between 25 and 54. Concerning languages, it's very important to choose the languages you need to target. I'm going to give you an example on how choosing the wrong language can reflect badly on your ads. My friend is living in Switzerland, and in Switzerland, a part of citizens speaks French and another part speaks German. My friend only speaks French and he keeps seeing ads on his newsfeed in German. So by showing these ads to my friend, the advertising is definitely spending useless money because he's not specifying the language. I recommend you to always choose the language in which the ad text is written. In the next lecture, I will show you how to do detailed targeting. So hit the next button and meet me there, because in the next lecture, you will learn tons of awesome new information.